Behold, these are the elevators at the new Home2 Suites by Hilton in Ocean 67th Street, North City, Maryland. There's the pool area over there. There he comes. Kind of like this chain. Go to 5. There goes one works. I like that. This is the motor. 2, 3, 4. Here 5. Also this one down. I like this new hotel so much. Wow. Look at this lovely view. I sure like here's a new Holiday Inn. Here's an old Holiday Inn here. There's some more condos here. And I can even see the ocean. Beautiful, isn't it? And yeah. I'm gonna go back down anyway. I'll pick up the other one. I have no idea these elevators were installed back then. I think they were installed last year, as well as this hotel. And they built this hotel last year, yeah? As well as the new hotel, yeah? Trying with this one. I'd rather just send this one down. Now to get the other one again. Yep, this here is my Yoshi Amiibo figure. See? And I like this innovation reversal button. Yep, this one's better with 2 channels instead of 1 from the other one. Let's go back to 1. Get a can view. Nice can. Man, look at it. Hello. Certificates here, emergency phone button. And your capacity is about 3,500 pounds. Sure, like his phone indicator, like the fixtures. And I like those lanterns as well, yeah. From Delaware out there. Start to close. And we look here, here's your fitness room, spacious lobby, breakfast area, all the way here. Right over there is that lovely restaurant they have here. This breakfast area is over there, yeah? And the parking garage is right that way, yeah? Don't be